Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I am going to show you tools for carpenters. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.